an amazing drink. All right. If you want to try it at home, you can give it a try, and you will like it, guys. Trust me, it's something different. I did a video like this on my food news channel, and it was amazing. All right. So if you want to give it a try, you can give it a try and see where you are. All right. It's a beautiful one from Chef Ricardo this morning. All right. Yeah. Now, it's not going to be a long video, it's going to be a very quick video. So first thing I want to say to you, I'm going to be doing some ginger. This is a fat chunk of piece of a ginger, which I'm going to be removing the skin from the ginger. Alright? But as I say, this is not going to be a long video. It's just a quick detox drink I want to make for you guys, alright? And you can drink this at home. Alright, lovely. So what you want to do is get some ginger, some lovely chunk of piece of ginger, and put it into your blender. Alright, just like this. And then what you want to do, you want to get yourself some apple. Alright, yeah, some green apple is very good for you. Alright? So I'm putting the green apple into the blender. Just like this. Alright? Beautiful one. As you can see for yourself. We're going to get 1 lemon. Alright, and the lemon is a large one I'm using. Alright, beautiful one. So you want to cut the lemon into half and put it straight inside of the blender. Then we're going to get some cucumber. Alright, and we're going to put some cucumber into the blender. Just like this. Alright. And that is lovely. Alright. As you can see it for yourself. Yeah. That is fantastic and an amazing one. Alright, so I'm using roughly about 3/4 for cucumber. That is lovely. Now, we're going to get some apple cider vinegar. And we're going to put some apple cider vinegar, roughly about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into it. Alright? And then we're going to get some fresh mint and put into it. Alright? Yeah. Beautiful one. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to get some water and put also inside of it. Alright? We're not going to use a lot of water. Just a little bit of water. Alright? Now, I know this blender is a little bit full, but the reason why I say it can be like this because the cucumber is very easy to blend, alright? And it will go right down, trust me. So I'm just gonna cover this blender now. Alright? And once you cover your blender, look at this recipe, guys. This is a very important recipe for you today, alright? Once you cover your blender, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna blend it for a few minutes. Alright. Alright, look at that. You see, it's gone now already. So it's easy. That is lovely. Now, two things you can add. Look at this, guys. It's two things you can do. You can drink it as it is, just like it is at the moment. All right. You can drink it just as it is, but we're not gonna drink it like that. We're gonna run it through the strainer for a bit. All right. So we're running it through the strainer and get out the liquid. All right. All right. That is lovely. We're gonna pour in the rest. Look at that, guys. That is fantastic. All right, that is amazing. That is just lovely and also delicious. All right. Yeah. That is just beautiful one, guys, from Chef Ricardo this morning. As you can see, lovely. And that's exactly what I'm talking about right here. Look at this now. That is beautiful. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right. So that's where we are at the moment. That is fantastic and an amazing drink right here. All right. So yeah, please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. And please subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave your comments in the description box. All right. As you can see it for yourself, that is a proper burning detox drink from Chef Ricardo. All right. But if you're at home and you want to do something lovely and nice, this come in really handy for you. All right. It's beautiful. The flavor and the texture of it is just one of those kind of recipe where you want to make at home. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. And subscribe is also very